Now you know as I know that Peter Obi will make a better president for Nigeria than the rest of them. You can tell from the passion he exudes, from the words he speaks.
Want to move this country from consumption to production.
You can tell that given the opportunity, this man would rather not contest than fail Nigeria. Peter Obi is the most qualified candidate for president and the hope Nigeria needs to build on right now. His presidency will make a huge difference and bring about genuine progress for Nigeria. The man is a realist with common sense, a straight talker with highly productive intellectual abilities who has accurately diagnosed Nigeria's problems and has ready-made solutions to launch from the get-go.
The government and lead will manage Nigerian resources effectively and efficiently for production.
No time to waste. Do the right thing for your country.
Come out and vote this Saturday, the 25th day of February 2023 for Peter Obi as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Yusuf Datti Baba Ahmed as his Vice President under the Labour Party. Papa, Mama, Pekin. This message is from the Peter Obi Good Governance Advocates, POGA.